You can say hello. So,
You wanna say hi? I know. You wanna say hi to him?
Hey, how's it going?
I know, Mia. That's a good girl. That's a good girl.
I've never like I think I took care of a rabbit, so I don't know how to take care of them. Have a lovely day.
I was like, oh, but I remember that I did
Hi, how you doing? These are all hand painted, all these greeting cards?
Yeah, so I paint them and then I scan them and then I reproduce them as cards and prints.
Okay, cool. They look awesome.
Nice. I was in sloping because
for her to get her home. How the shoes got. Yeah. After years of boots, it's nice wearing sneakers once in a while. Oh yeah. You don't want to be walking around out here all day. I grabbed one of them, taking down there.
I might get two. Let me see if I can find the letter here. Can I have
You gonna get a portrait of Minnie?
Oh, I get hard.
And everything goes. And then you gotta go.
Oh, we gotta go through it. Okay, now tell me again where was this one? It's right here, right?
That's fun.
Okay, I think let's do that.
this is like Dad's art.
Good morning. It's in the
Location, color, etc. And my name's Seth. If y'all have any questions. All right.
Oh, yeah, it's fun. It's always fun to come out.
Yes, it is. Have a great day.
I feel like everything that we're doing today connects with
Good morning.
Morning.
How much are the Italian ones?
Coin jewelry is 20.
20.
That's from Italy, but before Second World War, so it was when it was kingdom, you know.
That's awesome.
I have also
Look at that, honey. He's playing.
Travel or?
no, no.
Fine, I guess.
Good.
Let her loose. And it's been great. First time we're like to get this immediate feedback. So I've gotten a lot of feedback since last August. Keep going. It's my fun, musical, heartwarming work.
Yeah.
Glad I found it. It gives me energy. I've met a lot of people and a tiny bit of success with it. So I'm glad that wasn't the point, but success for me is just to keep the roof over my head working hard.
Yeah.
Getting some commissions on the side, and I just finished up a cover for a kids book, and I'm working on my own pet project kids book, so it's all seems to be flowing since I getting into my authentic, whimsical art side.
My great-great-grandpa.
Actually, it's good.
I've got so much left to say. If you were I wrote to you to take your breath away, I'd write it all. Even more in love with me, you fall. We'd have it all. Oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. Miles is pretty far, but they've got planes and trains and cars. I'd walk to you if I had no other way. Our friends would all make fun of us, and we'll just laugh along because we know that none of them have felt this way. Delilah, I can promise you that by the time that we get through, the world will never ever be the same. And go to play. With school, and I'll be making history like I do. We can do whatever we want to. This one's for you. Oh, and what you do to me. Oh, what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, what you do to me. What you do to me.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. You burn wood?
Yes, all wood burn.
I love the smell of burnt wood.
I know. Well, some smell really good, but I had some from exotic wood, so I was like, oh,
Oh, really?
like, that's interesting.
Oh, maybe
yeah.
maybe there were some little bugs in there.
Who knows? I don't know. But it was not good.
We'll see you. Good luck.
Thank you.
That's how you know the quality. It's not like this. So this size is 165 for this size, 110 and small under 9 grams.
I'm picky about abstract.
And I also sell this online. You can order online. Yeah.
Alright. Ooh.
I was in Europe. It was so everywhere had plant meat.
I miss this so much. I miss being hydrated. I'm like on my riding.
Forsyth, where are you at?
I don't know what's, is it only Georgia? Is there other states?
Make it too hard.
Right now, there's a release, maybe it could be a good release or a bad release.
But all this stuff is thrifted. I freaking missed out the other day. Dude. I got them for like $14. I know that
on Instagram, tell me you want a square colander.
With a little set of 4 different colors.
Yeah.
I know exactly what I want.
Yeah.
The more specific you are, yes. My name is Ellen. You will hear from me.
Let's do it to your
Hey, how's it going?
live that like college.
We love you guys.
Thank you. Have a good one. No problem.
Thank you. My son went fishing last week. 5 hours on the sea.
Oh wow.
On a boat with a few friends. And funny, saw.
They catch another?